Good morning, dear students. Class 6 Computer class. Today we will continue the chapter number 3. This is the last part of chapter number 3. We will discuss some exercise given in your book. First of all, we will discuss fill in the blanks. First fill up which is given in your book is tables are used to display data in dash form. So tables are used to display data in tabular form. Next one is to insert the text in a table, simply place the cursor and dash on the desired dash and start typing. So what we will fill here? To insert the text in a table, simply we will place the cursor and click on the desired cell and then start typing. Next, number 3, to move the table within the document, click and drag the dash at the top left corner of the table. So what is in the top left corner of the table? Table move handle. With the help of table move handle, we can move the table within the document. Next, question number 4. To select a column, position the cursor just above the column until it becomes a dash. So, when we have to select a column, we will position the cursor just above the column until it becomes a black arrow. Next, number 5. A table can be made presentable by giving borders and shading with a combination of colors. Okay, here there are two fillers. So a table can be made presentable by giving borders and shading with a combination of colors. Next, true or false. So number 1, a table cannot be edited after being created. So is this statement is true or false? Yes, this is false. Table can be edited even after creating it. Next, table button is present on the insert tab of the ribbon. Yes, yes, it is true. Table button is present on the insert tab. The mistakes in a table can be erased by dragging the mouse over the area to be deleted using the eraser button. Is this true or false? Yes, it is also true. We are using eraser button to delete if we have done any mistake. Next, to move from one cell to the right in a row, we will press shift key. Is this correct? No, it is false. We have to press tab key. 2 or more rows cannot be selected in a table. 2 or more rows can be selected? Yes. So in this statement, it is given that 2 or more rows cannot be selected. So it is false. Next, data can be stored in descending order only. Data can be stored in descending order only. Is this true? No, it is not true. It is false because data can be sorted in descending or in ascending order both. Now, I have given some extra question. These questions are not in your book, but you will do in your notebook. So this is first one is single choice question. Single choice question means multiple options are given, but you have to select only one. Only one answer is correct answer. It is the part of a table. Options are rows, columns, cell, and all of these. So, which is the correct answer? All of these. So, you will select only one option, all of these. Because rows are also the part of table, column are also the part of table, and cell is also the part of table. So we will select all of these. In single choice question you can only select one correct answer. Next question. A table can be sorted in ascending order, in descending order, and number C, in ascending and descending order both. So you all know that a table can be sorted in ascending order as well as in descending order. Here we have to choose only one correct option. So we will choose in ascending and descending order both. Next question. To move from one cell to the right in a row, we will press first option tab key, second question shift key, and third question enter key. So which is the correct one? Tab key. To move from one cell to the right in a row, we have to press tab key. So correct answer is tab key. Okay. Now next question, it is of multiple choice questions. In this type of multiple choice question, your answers can be more than one options. You can select more than one options. Both are correct. It can be more than one correct answer. So first question, you can insert a table. You can insert a table by using insert table button, by using table menu, and by using third option home tab. Here there are two correct options. By using insert table button and by using table menu. So you can choose any of these. Third one is wrong, by using home tab. So correct answer is given in the blue color. Next question, you can use a table. You can use a table to organize the information, to create merged document, and third option to display the data in tabular form. So we can use a table to organize the information and also to display the data in tabular form. So these both options are correct. This B option is wrong, to create merged document. So you can choose these two or any of these. Okay. This is known as multiple choice question, where more than one answer can be correct. So in this way, in your exam also, in your test, in your mock test, you will get the questions just like that. Fill in the blanks, true, false, single choice question, multiple choice question. So such type of objective questions you will get in your exam. You have to attempt such type of question. So be ready for such type of questions, and questions can come from inside the chapter also. So read thoroughly the chapters. Questions can come from inside the chapter. Don't depend only upon the exercises and question answers. Okay. Okay, we will meet next in the next class. Till that time, have a great day. Thank you.